Vlogmas week 3. Today is Friday and I am going to Target right now. It's after work, obviously. It's nighttime. I have the light on. I'm driving, but it's on my phone's on my little thingy. I promise, and I'm not crazy. I'm doing this hands-free, okay? I went to Target. I know I need to have a lot of patience today because I'm sure Target is crazy packed full of people. I have to get a few things for when my mom comes to visit, like pillows and like a shower curtain liner because her bathroom doesn't have one, or the spare bathroom doesn't have one right now. And like, I gotta get random stuff like that for like Christmas Eve dinner. We call it Noche Buena, and my mom is bringing like all the Cuban stuff. And actually, my husband's parents are also sending a bunch of like Puerto Rican, Dominican dishes that they do with my mom. So we're gonna have like a full Cuban, Puerto Rican, Dominican Noche Buena meal, which is Christmas Eve, and I'm so excited because we have a couple of friends that are actually gonna be coming over, and we've never hosted anything before in this place, so I'm like really excited. I'm also like really excited for Christmas in general. I just bought my husband's Christmas present and I hope he likes it. I bought a lot of little things like stocking stuffers and little things to like you know, and we got each other like a lot of little things and then one like kind of bigger thing that, you know, is a little more pricey, but hopefully he likes everything that I got him. I'm almost at Target. I know I'm ready to deal with crowds. I'm like prepared. I'm mentally preparing myself because I just know that it's gonna be hectic in there. But yeah, I'm gonna take you with me. I'll try to vlog in there. These houses are so pretty, lit up with Christmas lights. I love it. So there was a street in Miami, like it's in a like city in Miami, if that makes sense, like a little sub-city, that was so pretty. Like, oh my gosh, the houses there, like you have to be rich to live in that area. Oh my gosh, like they were insanely massive, like mansions and stuff, and so pretty. Like they would decorate that so pretty for Christmas. Like I loved it so much and I miss that area so much. I honestly I like California Christmas, but I'm missing my Miami Christmas, even though like the weather, I always hated it. It didn't feel like Christmas. Like it's like Christmas in the tropics, you know, because it's always like so hot in Miami and humid and gross. But the weather here kind of makes it feel like it's more Christmassy. So I just got here and I found like parking right in the front. That is like crazy. So I'm about to go in and see how bad it's really gonna be. Let's hope that I get some clips in there because, you know, me and the public vlogging, it's kind of awkward, but all right. No way was I vlogging in there. Holy crap. So there were so many people there, but for some reason I got out really quickly. Like, I mean, not quickly. I was there for like an hour. But what I mean by quickly is that like when I went to make a line to pay, it took like 2 minutes maybe. And that was, oopsie, I missed the turn. Pretty sure I missed my turn. Yeah, hold on. Let me figure out where I am now. Oh, just kidding. I didn't miss my turn. I'm good. So, yeah, there weren't that many people at the checkout, but like there were a lot of people like there, like present in life there. And it was a lot. I'm like exhausted. So I think the hubby and I are gonna order food tonight. And yeah, because I'm not cooking, that's for damn sure. But I got a lot of stuff. I'm gonna do maybe like a little Target haul tomorrow. Like, so you guys can see everything I got. I mean, it's mostly like stuff we needed like for Christmas, like paper plates and stuff, but there's some cute, like they had the cutest tablecloths and like kitchen towels and like a little bit of decor. I bought this candle. It smells so good. I can't wait to burn it. I think I'm gonna light it tonight because I think it smells really good and I want to see how it smells. I got chapstick because my lips are like dying. Yesterday my lips just like started bleeding. I was like, what is happening? My lips just never randomly bleed, but they're like really chapped. I think like in general my skin is super dry because of the winter, the weather, you know. So yeah, anyway, oh, what a pretty house. I love like just driving around and finding Christmas lights everywhere. Oh, so pretty. I am actually about to get home. Target's not that far from my house, so yeah, I will talk to you guys tomorrow and I'll do like a little Target haul, as I said. Hi guys, so today is Saturday, right? Yeah, today's Saturday, so I am actually out running errands on my own. I took Aries for a bath today and I dropped him off like a couple of hours ago. I probably have to pick him up soon because I think they close at 4. So I dropped him off and then I went to a couple of little stores here and there buying some last minute presents, and now I'm going to the mall all by myself. I hate going to the mall by myself because then I end up buying things for me instead of for other people. It's like horrible. But I am actually buying like home decor kind of things for our Christmas Eve dinner, and like serving platters and things like that, along with what I bought yesterday at Target. Ugh, everyone's gonna be at the mall. I'm sure the mall's gonna be packed, and I really just want to go to Bath and Body Works, get a few like of the plug-in thingies. What are they called? The scent plug-in thingies, whatever. And then I want to go to, where else do I want to go? Oh, Lush. I'm going to Lush to buy my mom her Christmas present from there. She loves Lush. She doesn't really take baths too often, so I'm just going to buy her like cream and maybe like a shower gel or something. Maybe a gift set, and then I'll take like whatever's in the gift set that she won't use but I will, because I love me some Lush bath bombs. Like, if you ever watch my Insta stories, at least once a week there's a bath bomb situation in my Insta stories. I will try to vlog at the mall. I didn't vlog at Target because it was crazy, and like I don't know, I wasn't in the headspace to vlog because I was like busy trying to look for what I was like looking for, obviously. So it might be the same way here. I hope there's a good Bath and Body Works deal. I hope there is. I don't know which one, like what I'm gonna get, but I know candles aren't on sale today, and I missed Candle Day. I was broke on Candle Day. I couldn't buy candles, and I'm really mad about that. And Kathleen Knights has been raving about this gelato candle, and like I don't want to buy it without smelling it, but like she makes it sound so appealing, and I really want to smell it. So hopefully they have the gelato candle there, so I know what it smells like before I just order like a bunch of them on bathandbodyworks.com. I'm trying to get my mom like a few presents, like, you know, it's time that I buy her like a couple of things instead of like just one present. Last year I got her an Amazon Echo and she loved it. But this year I haven't really thought about like what to get her. Like last year I knew like she could use like an Amazon Echo. Like she loves that thing. She'll order things on Amazon from it. She'll talk to it. She'll ask it the question of the day. It's really interesting. Like she really loves it. But I just don't know what else she could use. I got her a little stocking stuffer, like a little hand cream from Ulta earlier. Honestly, I went to Ulta for me, not for anybody else, but whatever. I think the stuff from Lush she'll probably really enjoy. I just don't know what else I can get her that she would really use. So I'm having that issue. I'm done with my husband's gifts. Like, I'm not buying him anything else. So I'm back home now. I did a bunch of shopping. I went to the mall. So I went to Bath and Body Works. I went to, where else did I go? Lush. I went to Francesca's. Oh my god, Francesca's has such really cute stuff. I got my mom a couple things from there, and I might have gotten myself a couple of presents from Lush and Francesca's because, you know. And then I also went to H&M to try to find like a cute Christmas outfit, but nothing. Now I'm home, and I'm obviously, if you can tell, I am about to film a video. My goal is to film, I was supposed to film 2 videos today and 2 tomorrow, so I could have enough content through like winter break, like through my mom being here at least. But I don't think that's gonna happen. Maybe I'll be able to film 3 videos tomorrow, but I don't know. But I am gonna film a makeup tutorial for Instagram right now, and that's it. I can't find my cord for my camera, and that's really pissing me off. I think I left it at work because I brought it to import footage into my laptop during my planning period, and I think I left it there. So that's really unfortunate. I think I'm gonna do like a candy cane liner situation, which should be up by the time you see this. So if you haven't seen it already, then you should go check it out. But I definitely need at least 2 makeup tutorials for Instagram this week. And then possibly, I need 2 videos for YouTube this week too. I just don't know. I don't know what else. Oh, I have to do my like yearly favorites video, but I don't know what else. Like I don't have like that much else to like. I can't think of any other content, which is really bad. I know. Maybe like a Christmas get ready with me, but that's gonna be for the week after, I'm pretty sure. I have like this whole list going on my phone, but like, yeah, I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna go film, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so today is Monday. and I'm just heading home from work. Today is mine and my hubby's 2-year anniversary from when we got married. I'm so excited. We're going out to dinner tonight. We wanted to take a trip this past weekend, but it just did not happen. Like, we thought about it too late. We wanted to take a trip to see snow because the only time I'd seen snow was in New York, and that would be so exciting. I would totally include that in Vlogmas, even if it's not in December. Like, I won't call it Vlogmas then. I'll just like vlog it because I'm like super excited. I have to make a little stop at CVS to get a couple things that we need. And then I actually should go to Vaughn's and get some eggs because I want to make cookies tonight. Or maybe I'll make them tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. It depends on like the timing of everything tonight, like where we go eat and stuff. I'm feeling steak though, even though I had steak for lunch, like it was leftovers. I don't know where he's gonna take me. I don't know. I don't even know if he has a plan. He hardly plans anything. Like, I'm the one that has to plan things. Anyway, I probably will not vlog very much of tonight because it's gonna be like a personal thing. So yeah, I will probably just talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so today is Tuesday. I'm here in my classroom and this is my prep period, and I'm just kind of like not having that much to do as I always like. You must think that I don't do anything as a teacher. Honestly, it's a much more difficult job than anyone imagines. But I just finished all my grading, so like I'm here just kind of editing videos and chilling. I don't know what happened to me today, but my makeup was a little off. I'm trying this new way to do my eyebrows, and I don't know if I'm liking it all that much, to be quite honest. I'm using dip brow instead of a pencil now, and honestly I've never done that before, so that's interesting. Tonight I have that class that I had, the same class last week, for the baptism preparation, and after that I'm done, thank God, with that situation because I just don't like that it's at night. Hey guys, sorry for the bad quality right now, but I'm in the car driving home and I thought I would pop on and say hello. Today is Thursday, and honestly, yes, I know I didn't vlog yesterday. I just could not. I was like super exhausted. My students had to go on a field trip. They had to perform at a different school, and they like were outside in the hot sun, and so was I, like conducting them, and it was such a long, like it wasn't like a long day because I actually got to go home early, to be honest, but I couldn't take it anymore. I was really tired when I got home, like, because being out in the sun just like makes you super tired. Today was the last day of school before winter break, before like for students. I still have to go tomorrow and like finish up some grading, which actually I don't have to do, but that's the whole point of tomorrow apparently. So tomorrow I just have to like sit in my classroom and, you know, do nothing. I'm probably just gonna like start finding music for students, for my students to play for next semester, and then I think I might just like edit some videos, but I'm pretty sure I don't have to be there the full day, so that'll be nice. Just heading home now. I haven't really done anything interesting. I mean, honestly, the first part of the week, like Monday and Tuesday and like the weekend, I like literally had nothing to do, and then yesterday was just so busy I just didn't do anything either, and then today I just want to film videos. I don't know. It's hard to vlog when you don't have anyone to vlog with, really, like that wants to be on camera. Like, none of my friends would want to be on camera. My husband doesn't want to be on camera. Like, what do I do? Like, my niece wanted to be on camera, but she's in Miami. Like, last year's Vlogmas, she was in like almost every single vlog because she was always wanting to be in the vlogs. But right now, it's quite difficult to have entertaining content, me being the only one doing things here. I probably have like another 40 minutes of my drive. See, this drive is getting on my nerves, but you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Hey guys, so I'm here at work and it's a non-student day, so I'm here just like grading. Well, I already finished grading like yesterday, so I'm not really grading. I'm just like literally sitting here until they tell us we can go, which hopefully will be soon. It's 10:30. I've been here since 8. And I really want to go home. I've been editing some Instagram videos that I'm going to put up over the holiday. And I want to edit this vlog now, but this vlog is going to be so boring. Like, I literally don't know if it's going to be interesting at all. Like, I might just like make it like Vlogmas a week in my life, like where like things actually happen. Like, you know, I can't like literally be entertaining 24/7. The next week's Vlogmas should be super fun because I am definitely gonna be out with my mom. So right now I have Christmas music playing in the background and I'm just like editing videos and just chilling, and hopefully they let us go within the next hour. I'm really hoping they say go to lunch and don't come back. That would be great. But until then, here I am. I don't know if you've ever noticed this, but this is really creepy. But the teacher before me, who was here before me, put that up, and I don't know about it. That's Beethoven, in case you were wondering. Isn't he hot? That's my boyfriend. Don't tell my husband. What is that? I'm getting a bump in my filler, I think. I don't know. I don't feel a bump, but it looks like a bump. The camera. My lips are super dry. I need to like apply chapstick more often. So I've been doing my eyebrows differently lately, and I'm kind of obsessed with how they're turning out. So I've been using a pomade instead of a pencil, and I just find that they look like a lot more fleekier that way. So I think I'm gonna keep doing that. It takes a lot longer to do it that way, which is so annoying because honestly, when I'm like getting ready for work, I just want to like put my makeup on and leave. Like it's really like it takes me maybe 20 minutes when like an actual like if I'm going out, makeup will take me like maybe an hour. So my mom comes tomorrow and I'm super excited. I'm probably gonna vlog picking her up because I'm going to pick her up at the airport and stuff like that. She doesn't know that I like actually like vlog. Someone just walked in on me vlogging. That was oh, thank God it wasn't like the principal or something. Oh my gosh. But I don't think she heard me like actually talking. Anyway, I think I'm gonna like keep editing and yeah, just like chill. My heart is pounding. I don't know. It scared me. I just don't want them to think I'm crazy talking to myself here, but whatever. And like my laptop's out and I'm editing videos and I like had to quickly like I was hoping it wasn't going to be the principal. I don't know. I used a primer today that I don't think I really like. But, you know, whatever. Anyway, I was talking about my brows, right? Did I finish talking about that? I don't know. There's this little corner here that I'm not really liking too much. And I also have to wash my hair desperately. As you can see, it's like snowing here. I'm going to do that tonight. Because tonight I'm filming a Christmas Get Ready With Me. And I think I'm also going to film my like New Year video. There's like 4 videos I want to film, and then that's probably it for like what I'm gonna film for like the next week or so. Oh no, I need to film it tomorrow. I think I need to film a New Year's tutorial because it needs to be on Instagram before actually my mom leaves. So I would want to take the time that I would be spending with my mom editing videos, and yeah, so I'm trying to prepare as much as possible. She gets here tomorrow night at like 10:30 I think p.m. So I have like the whole day, but I'm getting my nails done tomorrow too. I'm getting my Christmas nails. I don't know if I should get them long or short. I'm digging the short nail situation right now. Like it makes it easier to do a lot of things, but I feel like for a holiday I should go longer, right? Am I wrong? I don't know. I'm gonna end this week here. I promise next week will be a lot more interesting. This is just typical week in my life, what I go through. Like I'm not always gonna be super exciting, and I know these vlogmases haven't really been exciting. Hopefully you guys understand. But next week, hopefully we're taking a road trip to Big Bear Lake mountain thing. I don't even know what it's called, to be honest, but it's like 2 hours away from us, and that's gonna be really fun because I get to see snow again for the second time in my life. 28-year-old, almost 28-year-old. I'm not 28 yet, but an almost 28-year-old has not seen snow. But whatever. Well, I had seen snow in New York. Anyway, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna take my mom like all these places like in San Diego, and it's gonna be so much fun. And we're gonna celebrate Christmas. We're gonna bring Cuban and Puerto Rican and Dominican Christmas from Miami over here. And I just wish my husband's family was coming. Like that would make it like even more fun, but it's gonna be great with my mom here. So I'm really excited. If you enjoyed this week's Vlogmas, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, please still give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.